Imagine handing every note, textbook, and lecture slide you own to a personal tutor who has read every single page and never gets tired of your questions. That tutor is free. It's made by Google, and it's called NotebookLM. In the next few minutes, I'll show you the exact 5-step workflow to study almost anything in half the time, including the one feature that turns your boring notes into a podcast you can revise from on the bus. Let's get into it. Step 1. Feed it your material. Go to notebook.google.com, sign in with any Google account, and create a new notebook. Now drop in your sources: PDFs, Google Docs, slide decks, web pages, even YouTube video links and audio recordings of your lectures. On the free plan, you can add up to 50 sources in a single notebook, and each one could be hundreds of pages long. NotebookLM reads all of it in seconds. And here's the key difference. It answers using only what you give it, not the random internet. So if you upload your professor's actual notes, every answer comes straight from your course, not some stranger's blog. Think of each notebook as the brain for one subject. Step 2. Start asking. This is where it leaves a normal chatbot behind. Ask it to explain a tricky concept, summarize chapter 4, or compare 2 theories, and every answer comes back with little numbered citations. Click one, and it jumps you straight to the exact line in your source that it used. That means you can trust it and verify it in seconds. No more wondering if the AI just made something up. Still confused? Ask a follow-up in plain English, and it remembers the whole conversation. It's like having the most patient tutor on earth, one who has memorized your entire syllabus and will never judge you for asking the same thing 3 times. This step alone replaces hours of scrolling through PDFs. Step 3. Let it build your study materials for you. Open the Studio panel, and with one click, NotebookLM generates a complete study guide, a frequently asked questions sheet, a timeline of events, even quizzes and flashcards to test yourself with. My favorite is the mind map. It draws out how every topic links together, so you finally see the big picture instead of a wall of text. Students pay good money for apps that do less than this, and here it's just built in. Try this loop. Generate a quiz, answer it honestly, then ask NotebookLM to explain everything you got wrong, using your own notes. Testing yourself and getting instant feedback is, scientifically, how you actually remember things. Step 4. And this is the feature that goes viral. It's called Audio Overview. With one click, NotebookLM turns your dry notes into a podcast. 2 AI hosts who chat about your material like a real talk show, with banter and genuine aha moments. In 2026, you can pick the style: a deep dive, a quick brief, a critique, even a debate. Choose the language, set how long it runs, and steer it with a prompt like "Focus on Chapter 3 at exam level." Then just download it and listen while you commute, walk, or do the dishes. Students are revising entire semesters this way, without ever reopening a textbook. The free plan gives you a few of these every day, far more than enough to study from. Step 5. Turn it into a system. Keep one notebook per subject and add to it all term long. So by exam week, your entire course already lives in one place. The night before you revise, generate a fresh audio overview and a 10-question quiz, and you're ready. If you learn better by watching, there's a video overview that narrates the key ideas with visuals. You can share a whole notebook with your study group, so everyone asks questions against the same trusted material instead of arguing over messy notes. And there's a mobile app, so your tutor lives in your pocket. Do this consistently, and studying stops feeling like a fight you're losing. So here's your challenge. Tonight, create one notebook, drop in the notes for your hardest subject, and generate your very first audio overview. 5 minutes. That's all it takes to feel the difference. If this helped you, subscribe. Every single week, I break down a free AI tool that makes your life easier. Next up, I'm building a full presentation in 60 seconds with another free tool you're going to love. See you in that one.